Here is a 36-inch plastic Lasko ceiling fan sold at Walmart in the 90s. And this one's white. I have another one that's beige that I filmed earlier. So if you want to see that, go look for it in my videos. But this one I got at my Habitat for $10. And I went there with JR after our little trip to Alabama. He spent the night at my house, and then we headed up Habitat in the morning. And he got a beige one, and there was this white one that I got. And it's missing a canopy and mounting bracket. But oh well, I'll make do. But it works pretty well. It's got a non-original brass 4-inch fitter on it, but that's okay. And like I said, it works really well. So let's see. Here's the light. It does work. And the fan. Moves pretty good air. Got a pretty good spin down. And it is reversible, but I don't really bother showing reverse in the videos anymore. It's just the same thing I said the other way. But anyway, and there's that, and I hope you enjoyed.